So welcome back with a new video of AutoCAD. So in this video we will see how to set units or the number of ways in which we can set units in an AutoCAD. So there are two ways to set units in an AutoCAD. We will see these two methods one by one. For example, first method we can see we can write units command units units, then press enter. You can see length type decimal. We are using here are architectural, decimal, engineering, fractional and scientific types. We are using architectural. Then we will set precision. We will set any of them, but commonly we use 0 feet and 0 inches. Then we will press OK, that our drawing units are set. So this was the first way. Then the second way is to go to format. Then there is an option of units. You will press units and you can see we have already set architectural, precision, 0 feet and 0 inches, and that's a way to set units. Two methods to set units in an AutoCAD. We will see uh, in next videos how to set limits and in an AutoCAD. So that's all from this video. See you in next video.